Where are we going to, Olive? Are we going on a trip? Yeah? Going to London for the day / night? You look really excited.
We are just about to board.
It was an hour-and-a-half line, but we took a risk and took priority. And the guy looked at Olive and was like, she won me over. So thanks to Olive, we didn't have to wait an hour-and-a-half to go through security.
It's ridiculous, it really is.
Just have a cute baby with you and you can pass the line.
Easy.
We're in Stansted. Stansted. We made it to Stansted with not a peep out of Olive, cause she's the best baby in the world. Woo!
You flew so well.
Best flyer.
Best flyer.
It'll be like that when I fly alone to Canada.
Just another 6 hours on top of that. Easy.
Now
So
we catch our train into central London and Mama needs some food because whew, I'm hungry.
babies have food, mama's not food. It's our hotel for the night.
Casually staying at the Savoy.
We're going down this way.
Nah.
not the Strand Palace Hotel.
Staying at Strand Palace Hotel, which is great as well.
It's actually really
Thankful
nice.
to have a room.
And it's so close to Covent Garden and South Bank and everything.
Gonna go get some food now. I think at South Bank, is it?
Yeah, South Bank.
I think a bird just pooed by there. Almost good luck. You can see the London Eye right there. And Olive is people watching. Girl after my own heart. I just love her so much. So yeah, we ordered some cocktails and some tapas, which is perfect on what day is today? Wednesday? Thursday? Today Thursday. Oh my goodness, I'm so out of it. Yeah, I have the Charlotte Tilbury event tonight, but we're gonna meet Patty's friend Josh, and then some of my management from Style Hall.
Calamari, nachos, tacos. Happy wife.
I needed to eat. So good.
Hi. Hi.
Where's your toes? Did you find your toes? Are they up here? Show me your toes. Oh, very good.
Sweaty hands.
Very sweaty hands. Do you like it? Is it like a bib? It is like my bib. Yucky, yuck. Hey cutie girl. Hey cutie. Hey cutie girl. Hey cutie. Hey cutie girl.
Hi.
Just hanging out in this little park area with the London Eye right there. Olive is loving London.
Standing up and everything.
Oh my goodness, Olive. So we made it to our room. You good? Made it to our room, but the air conditioning is broken in this room. So I told Patty that that's just not gonna work because it's 28 today. It's so hot in here, and with a baby, like, she won't sleep. So he's just going down to see if we can move to another room because yeah, that's not, no one's gonna be happy tonight if there's no air conditioning. What do you want to say to the camera? That you are the world's cutest baby? And how do you like London so far? Pretty good? Okay. So we are just at the Aldrich, what is it?
One Aldrich
Hotel. I met up with my managers from Style Hall. They're incredible, absolutely love them. Yeah, so we just had a little meeting, and then I need to go back to the hotel and get ready for the Charlotte Tilbury event because I'm sweaty and just frizzy hair. I'm gonna keep it minimal, but I need to get all done up, so. Patty's on babysitting duties. Look how cute this is. I wanted to show you guys from Wimbledon. They decorated, most hotels have like tennis balls from Wimbledon. You're a hot dad with a cute baby.
Multitasking, am I right? Do you want to explain that?
No. Okay, so I am all ready for the event. I will probably do a tutorial on this makeup. Do you guys want a tutorial? I used some new products and I'm feeling them. This dress is really old. I wore it to a wedding pre-baby. Thankfully it still fits. But yeah, we are off. Patty's gonna take care of Olive. I'm not gonna stay too long, but you're in my light. It's okay. Just wanted to show off my highlight. I don't know if I'll vlog in the event because I always feel a little like cringy vlogging in events. I know I need to get over myself, but we'll see. I might just bring my phone in, not my camera, because my bag is too small. Walking to the event through Embankment. Is this Embankment? Embankment Gardens. Oh, look at
Victoria Embankment Gardens.
Pretty sunflowers. Yeah. Patty's gonna meet up with this friend Josh, who we normally meet up with in London, or Nicole. Nicole, where are you at? Fed Olive, baby Olive, I was gonna say, and now she's just happy as Larry. Hey, are you happy like Larry? Okay, so we are leaving the event. Charlotte is a dream. Like, she is so sweet. She thought Olive looked like me. She hasn't met Patty, so a little biased, but she's like, oh, she has your eye color, darling, and your nose and your lips, darling. And I was like, and then she's like, oh, your glow is just so beautiful. What are you wearing? Flawless filter. Your product. Yeah, it was so much fun, and I was hanging out with a girl called Sophia Smith. I'll link her here. She's literally stunning, and didn't realize how big she was on Instagram. She was just such a sweet, kind, shy girl. So we hung out the entire event. I had Olive, I brought her in. So she had her very first event experience. Honestly, if you want people to talk to at events, bring a baby or a puppy. Literally everyone stopped to talk to her. So yeah, they didn't notice me, but they noticed Olive. So we were just taking our time, walking the streets of London here, and gonna grab some grub. And I think we have a sleepy baby on our hands. We are getting some honest burgers from our friend Josh's recommendation. So hopefully they're good, because Mama and Dada, no, never again, are hungry. And you were so smiley for bedtime. You were having a late night. Ooh, rebel baby. Just taking your bottle. We got takeout.
Honest burgers. And she got takeout.
A good baby. She was such a champ today. Honestly, such a dream. So we'll see how she sleeps tonight, because it's a bit off of routine, but
In our room.
should be great.
Back to normal.
Back to normal. No longer in a nursery. She'll be great. You just have to be quiet.
Yep. See you tomorrow.
So it's next day. The tap just turned on by itself. I'm gonna show you guys my skincare because you guys like that. I'm using my toner. It's from Origins. It's the, I want to say like revitalizing one, or clarifying one. I'm almost all out of it, but I love it. I use it in the morning, and I definitely have a new friend here that I'm not gonna touch because Patty would be upset. And I have one right here, and it's massive. It actually hurts. Do you guys ever get jaw pimples? Oh, not fun. Okay, next I'm gonna use my Sigma skincare brushes. I did a video on these and I love them. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one, which is the S10 for my serum. And this is the CEO by Sunday Riley Rapid Flash Brightening Serum, which really has helped with any pigmentation. Like, I used to have a lot more pigmentation from any acne in my previous years, and it's really lifted it completely. So I feel like my skin tone is a lot more even. So I'm just applying it with this brush, and I just feel like it helps, you know, spread it out a lot more, and it doesn't absorb it. If you feel like the skincare is going to absorb into the brush, it doesn't. The bristles are specifically made so that it doesn't. So do not worry about that. Next I'm going to do some moisturizer. This one is from Lumene, and I want to say it's the overnight one, but I really like it at all times. I'm just going to use a little bit just to moisturize because it is so hydrating. I don't want to put a lot on. So I'm going to use my hands and Only put it in areas I need a little bit of moisture and then tap it out. And then last, I'm gonna take my eye cream, which is the Autocorrect Sunday Riley eye cream on another Sigma brush. If anything, use a brush around your eyes just because the skin there is so delicate and sensitive. This one is the S20 and I'm just going to pat that in. I'm trying to be really delicate because normally I'm like so vigorous and so fast, but I'm learning that it's so important to take care of your under eyes because I feel like they show signs of aging the fastest just because of how thin the skin is under there. So you almost feel like you don't even feel like the product is on because this is just such a soft and delicate brush. But yeah, that is it for my travel morning skincare. And then I'm gonna do my makeup. So we're all checked out. We made it to Covent Gardens, but I think we're a little early. I feel like nothing's really open yet. I feel like every time Patty and I come to Covent Gardens, we go to Ladurée, but maybe it's not open.
No.
That'd be a bummer. All right, we're in Trafalgar Square. We did get Ladurée in Covent Gardens, and I may have picked up a keychain as well. It's because the first time Patty took me to London, we went to the Covent Gardens Ladurée, and we have gone ever since, anytime we come to London. So I was like, it's like a memento. It's like it's Olive's first London trip gift. Slash, I just hate my keychain strap, so I just needed a new one.
You know what's going on here today?
What?
Trump protests.
Oh no, we shouldn't be here then. Look at this horse. I want to ask where he gets his manicures because those are shiny hooves. Okay, Patty really wanted to walk over here. We're in Westminster Station because there is a big funny balloon of Trump because he's here right now. Oh my goodness. Baby balloon Trump. A pity. This is all covered up. It's one of my favorite buildings. It's so beautiful. But Renos, what happens? This is a better view of the London Eye than yesterday. It's pretty busy out here. Not this side though, which is good. Hey hottie. You turned. What if it wasn't me?
Who else would have been?
Yeah, you're right. I don't know. Your mom. Made it on the train back to Stansted Airport. Who's that stranger? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy, cutie girl? We just made it to the airport. We got some Leon's naturally fast food. I have the chicken satay salad, so good. She's so sweet. Yeah, we're just waiting to board and then we'll be on our flight back to Belfast. It was a good trip.
Yes.
Successful.
Successful.
It's a great baby, seriously.
Olive, did you like your first trip to London? Did you like your first trip to London? Where's Mum?
Olive! Where's the camera? What's the camera? There it is. You know your angles. We just made it home. We had a really chill night so far. We got a Chinese. Put Olive to bed because she was so exhausted, like she was falling asleep just on the couch there. So gave her a bath. She's out cold. Patty and I are gonna watch a movie. Call it a night. Love Island at 9. Priorities. Yeah, it was so much fun. Had an amazing time in London. Didn't let you know though, on the flight home, Olive fell asleep on takeoff. But on landing, it didn't pressurize like within the plane. So it was a 15 minutes of crying, screaming, crying. So yeah, I felt bad for the guy beside us, but like 3 people came up to us after and were like, we're so sorry, like it's so hard to hear a baby cry because you can't do anything, like don't stress out. Like it was really sweet. I didn't expect that at all, it was really kind. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Patty the tea man is there. He will not let me make tea because I keep telling him I'm gonna put my breast milk in it. So he's so scared. It's a good way to never ever make tea. Live in fear. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.